Hi guys, today we have a series number 6 smartwatch in our review. This product has gained high popularity and a lot of joy among people. There is a synchronous notification of incoming messages from the notification center in your phone here. You can make and answer calls after Bluetooth connection using your smartphone. The lithium-ion battery can hold a charge for up to 2 days. In addition to the functions of an alarm clock, calculator, stopwatch and vibration, there is an anti-loss function. You can call your phone or watch. If you do a morning jog every day, you can use the step counter, calorie counter and see the total distance traveled. Also, if you are watching about your health, then there is a function for monitoring the heartbeat and electrocardiogram. Oh yes! We like to swim. And in addition, guys, you have the opportunity to take part in a lottery where similar watch models are drawn. All you need is to follow the link in the description, enter your email data and register on the server. And maybe luck will fall out for you and you will become the proud owner of such a smart watch. Bye bye.